One of the other things that comes up and people don't realize they could take advantage of it really easily is there's standard temperature and pressures for gases. Standard pressure is really easy to remember. It's 1 atmosphere, because that's the average atmosphere. Standard temperature is 0 Celsius, which isn't a very usual temperature you'd encounter, but it is pretty easy to remember. So you have 1 atmosphere and 0 Celsius. And if you plug in 1 atmosphere, 0 Celsius, and 1 mole, you always get the same volume. Because we pretend that all gases behave the same, or ideally. So we always get 22.4 liters of 1 mole. So this is a very simple little ratio to remember. 22.4 liters for 1 mole of gas. And it could be applied like this. If you have 1.75 liters of any gas, and you want to know how many moles that is, set up a little dimensional analysis thing. Since this is 1.75 liters, what has to go on the bottom to cancel out? Liters. And it's 22.4 liters is the same as 1 mole. And it doesn't matter if that's nitrogen or hydrogen or helium or carbon dioxide. It's the same ratio all the time at STP, standard temperature and pressure. So this one would be 0.078 moles of nitrogen, because the gas in the question is nitrogen. But if it was any other element or compound or molecule, it'd still be the same ratio. You can only use that if it's a gas, and you can only use that if the temperature is 0 Celsius and the pressure is 1 atmosphere. Quite often it won't say the temperature or pressure, it'll just say at STP. It'll just tell you this, it's at standard temperature or pressure. Bam, you just do it. There's one question like this on the homework where you just convert the moles to volume and you're done.